Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to the AI PDF Profit with Boss Uzi. My name is Uzoma Oranibo, and today, for this introductory class, I just want us to do something very, very quick. This is not the main class, so I just want us to do a very quick practical because I know everybody is pumped up. You join this stuff to learn one or two things, and this training is one of the trainings that would actually change your life only if you do exactly what is going to be what I'm going to show you. So we're going to do a quick practical right now. I'm going to teach you how to start creating your ebook, like how to start creating your AI, your PDFs. But I'm going to teach you how to create the cover page so that you're going to do that for me. You're going to do that for me, and you're going to drop it in our discussion group or our main group. Now, this training is not just a passive training; it's a training where I want to work with every one of you and get results. So, if you're ready, let's go straight into it. This is the introductory class, and I am so delighted to have everyone here. So now let's go straight into it. So let me end my full screen. Now, for us to create we want to create a cover page for our book. We want to get the ideas for our book. We want to create a cover page so that we can start creating maybe later when the training starts. So how do we do this? I'll just click on the next tab. Now, there are many AI tools you can use, but today we are going to be using this AI tool called ChatGPT. Are you familiar with ChatGPT? Great. So right now, what we are going to do right now, we're going to prompt AI to give us, so I'm going to tell AI that we're going to like I don't know your book idea, but maybe your book idea is let's formulate one. So I want to create an AI PDF that will sell. I want to create an AI PDF that will sell. I will sell online. Kindly suggest kindly suggest a niche I should focus on today. I'm going to click it. It's going to suggest some niches for us. So you can see different niche, Nigeria's freelancing pricing. You can see AI business, blah, 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 blah. Or maybe you have something in your mind. Maybe you can just say something like, I am a relationship, I am a relationship coach. Kindly suggest topics I can write on. But at the end of the day, if you're creating PDFs, you already know what you should do. So you understand. So it will give you a lot of things: how to make him commit, become a high value human, a man pursues, green flags every human should look for. Red flags you should never ignore. You know. So now let us imagine. Let us just create one cover page. We just create this one. Red flags you should never ignore. So we just create this. So we just said, okay, I want to create, I want to create this, I want to create this AI PDF. You now paste it. Red flag every man should every red flag you should never ignore as a before. Let's just add context before before saying before saying I do. So you just click on it, let it store it. And this is the most important one we want to do right now. So you can see, okay, red flag every man should ignore before saying I do. Subtitle, a practical guide to identifying warning signs, blah, blah, blah. So we are going to pick out the one we are going to use. So we are going to pick out this one. I'm going to pick out this one, title. So title, we are going to write title, BAM. Then we are going to pick out our subheading. Then subheading, then we're going to pick this one. Then we'll prompt it immediately. They will now prompt the AI. We'll now prompt the AI. This is where we prompt the AI. Look at this. So kindly create, kindly, okay, now before you do that, you say, kindly give me, give me cover page options from cover page op cover page op cover page prompts for me to choose. You can just say kindly give me several page of them for me to choose. So you can see. So I'm just going to click on it. So it's going to generate different cover page options for you. You say design a premium minimalistic book cover for a relationship book titled Red Flag You Should Know. The cover features two elegant gold ring resting on a luxurious white plaid. This is one. The another one is what Bride at Crossroads. Create a cinematic book cover showing a bride in elegant white dress, standing at the crossroad. No, we don't do that one. Red roses, red rose with hidden horns. This is making sense. Design an elegant relationship book cover featuring beautiful red rose line, white silk fabric, good wedding invitation theme. No, heart puzzle. Design a premium cover featuring a blah 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 symbolizing overlooked couples holding hands. Broken engagement ring. No, don't do this one. Mirror reflection. So what we are going to pick, I'm going to pick option one. Okay, they suggested option one. If your goal is to create the cover immediately to communicate marriage plus wisdom plus warning, then option one is your own. So you let us follow option one. So option one is this. I'll create this and I'll copy it and paste it in the comment section. So right now it's going to start creating and it's going to create for a minute or so. All right, so it has already created the first cover page for us. Beautiful. You can see it over here. It's created a very, very lovely cover page for us already. So let's evaluate it. Is it good enough? You can see it. So you can see, let me click on it. Oh, all right, let me click on the cover page and see how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. So I'll download it. So before I go out, I'll explore another cover page. So let me choose another one so that we can have side by side. You can see. So I'll just click on this, design this for me. Then I'll just paste it here. Then I can just add the title of the cover page. So that it doesn't just I'll add the title and I'll add the word subheading. So I'll paste it here and I'll click on send. So let's see what it does. It's going to create magic for us. Why is creating magic for us? So it is done creating magic for us. So you can see this is beautiful. So let's see, click on download. So now let's just choose the one that we are going to pick. Let's finally choose the one we are going to pick out of the two. So let me go over to my file manager and select the one. So out of these two, which one do you think we should pick? Put it in the comment section. Red flags you should never ignore before saying I do. A practical guide. This is one by Boss Uzi. Then you can see the other one. The other one is just plain. The other one have an author name. I don't think it has. So red flags you should never ignore before saying I do. Then two rings here. Then a practical guide. So between this one and this one, which one do you think we should pick? So that is by the way. So one thing I want you to do right now is I want you to do your own. So I want you to do your own ordinary, just a very simple book cover. I want everybody to do a simple book cover and send it to the group and prepare yourself for today's training. With that being said, see everybody by 8 p.m. when the training starts. Again, don't text anybody, don't chat anybody in the WhatsApp group. And before you start creating your own, I want you to drop which one do you think we should pick. Put it in the comment section. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're ready, let's get ready. Thank you so much and see you in class.